Hello my dear friends, in my previous video I show you how to make a Bluetooth controlled home appliances by use of 80 MHz instead of Arduino. So just 3 to 4 days before when I use my mobile phone then I realized, can I make touch switch like our smartphone? I tried on it and I success. In this video I will show you how to make touch switch by use of 555 IC. This is circuit diagram of touch switch. You can download it or you can take screenshot. This is circuit board of touch switch. You can see I only make this circuit for one channel. You can make it for any numbers of channel. Just increase IC. So this is our 555 touch switch circuit board. Here you can give 5 volt input supply. This is our 555 IC. This touch for on and this one is for off. This is our relay 5 volt relay module for DC to AC switching. This is onboard LED which indicates relay is on and relay is off. This is NPN transistor BC547. This is 1N4007 diode for a freewheeling purpose. If you want to make any kind of other electric and electronics project, then you can comment below. I will make it. Let's check output of this circuit. Is it work or not? Let's check it.